Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just moved houses and your Sony Bravia 7 TV is no longer connected to Wi-Fi. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the quick settings tab of your TV. Then go ahead and click on all settings. And then what you're going to do is that where it says network and internet, click on network and internet. And then you want to go ahead and click on add new network. So with that, you can enter the name of your Wi-Fi network or scroll down and find your Wi-Fi network here. But there you have it guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.